Here I decided to turn the wood around and start over from this end. I'll be drilling the ferrule to hold the writing nib, and I want to make sure this wood is good and sturdy, so this I think will be a better option.
I'm putting the world upon a shelf. I'm keeping all my love for myself and no one else this time.
As I was turning the part where you're going to hold the pen, I ended up breaking through the wood into the hole that I had drilled, so decided that it was a good time to use some super glue and soak this down and get it sturdy enough to continue turning. Here I am sanding the ferrule and super gluing it into the pen.
Jessie says she misses you 100 times a day. She tried to tell her why you died, but I don't know what to say.
Here I'm soaking the pen with super glue. The wood was really wormy in this area, and to continue turning, I needed to be able to stabilize this wood.
Pictures of our life, yellow and gray, faded away. Pictures of our life, steel frames, colors, black and white. Pictures of our life, pictures of our life.
When I was finished shaping the pen, I then applied several coats of cyanoacrylate glue or super glue. I then wet sanded with micro mesh up to 4000 grit, and this produced a very smooth, kind of satin, semi-gloss finish. I was very pleased with the outcome of this.
Your picture falls to the floor.
Now I'm trimming off the excess wood from the end of the pen with the bandsaw, and then I head on over to the disc sander and clean up the tip of the pen.
Never knew what love was till you came along and I wrote this song.
Here I'm hand sanding the pen to its final shape. I'll then just add a few drops of cyanoacrylate glue to the tip to even out the finish.
Life I couldn't see, didn't mean a thing to me, went into view, a reason to be.
Thank you for joining us for part 1 of the pen and ink set build. We hope you come back for part 2, where we will build a pen rest and ink well for this beautiful pen. Thank you for watching.